St Lukes View in Liverpool is an amazing student accommodation, especially for those who value spacious accommodations. Students flock to this residence for its diverse range of en-suites, each boasting generously sized and comfortable beds, complemented by overhead shelves for storing essential items. Across from the bed, a well-equipped study desk complete with drawers and shelving units ensures the organization of school supplies. Take a moment to gaze out the window and admire the city views, or indulge in a relaxing break by streaming your favorite show with the high-speed Wi-Fi. The bathrooms are well-equipped, providing the perfect setting for a refreshing shower. In the kitchen, you have all the modern appliances, which adds to the convenience of living here. Outside of the apartment, you have a study room where you can complete your assignments and a laundry room to finish all your daily chores. Situated just a short walk away are Liverpool John Moores University and the City of Liverpool College, making this residence a perfect choice for students. With Renshaw Street and Benson Street bus stops nearby, exploring the city becomes easy, facilitating exploration and enhancing convenience. Embark on an unforgettable experience in Liverpool by reserving your stay at St Lukes View through amberstudent.com.